This is a 2012 Ram truck. Its top features include a remote start feature, XM satellite radio, chrome wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, air conditioning, cruise control, a passenger side vanity mirror, front and rear floor mats, a passenger side airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, a pass-through rear seat, full power accessories, and this vehicle has fewer than 13,000 miles on the odometer. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.